Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about recommended services on your vehicle and how important they can be. At the West Automotive Group, we actually break down services that we recommend to you in 3 categories. The first category is safety items, such as brake failures. You got brake components wearing out, things like that can cause serious issues with your vehicle or safety issues to you. The second category is issues that cause damage to the vehicle. Worn out spark plugs that can cause misfires, causing damage to things such as the catalytic converters, etc. on the vehicle. Hoses that blow out that could cause expensive overheat repairs, such as blown head gaskets, damage to radiators, etc., things like that. That's category number 2. Category number 3 is preventive maintenance items. We put items like cooling system flushes, replacing air filters, replacing worn out suspension components as far as shocks or struts, and other items like that in preventive maintenance that will prevent future expensive repairs but don't have to be done in an urgency. The reason we do this for our clients is to keep your cost-effective repairs. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.